Welcome to the Clipper channel. Today's video, I'll show you how to do defragmentation on your Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. Now, at first, what you want to do is just go ahead and go to your search bar. And in here, type defrag. And in the best matches, you'll find defragment and optimize drivers. And from here, just select the drive which you want to optimize. For example, C. Just click on C. Then just click on Analyze. And then just go ahead and click on Optimize. Then just wait, it will optimize it for you. Just give it some time. There you go, it has been done. Now let's for example say I want to optimize my E drive. Select E, click on Analyze again, and then just click on Optimize. It has been done as well. And you can optimize all of your drive one by one in this process. And then just close this. And basically that is how to do defragmentation on your Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe.